Hey everybody. I want to look at updating a selection set. If you're not familiar with selection sets, they are manually created selections of elements. You can do something like that in Revit as well. So in here to create a section, or before you go ahead and create a selection set, you'll want to jump into your View tab, Windows, come down here and turn on Sets. When you turn on Sets, you'll get this window over here. So with this window, we can come up here and we can see Save Selection. Now this option's there right currently because I have an item selected. So as soon as I press escape, you can see that goes away. Um, there's also an option for saved search sets. So those are saved search sets, and those are created by searching elements for specific types of parameters, and then saving those search sets um, through there. Or saving those search sets in that way. So they're searching for a particular parameter and then grabbing all the elements that have that parameter. Selections is just a manual selection. So if I go in here and start to select on these panels out here, and I'll do Control and then left mouse button. So by doing that, you can see I've selected 4 panels. So now what I can do is come over here, save the selection. I'm going to click escape. So you can see currently I have nothing selected. If I select this, you can see now that it's selected those 4 elements. So with those elements selected, what we're going to do is look at updating them. So we have 4 panels selected in this example. So what we're going to do now is, and this could be, you may want to do this for a variety of different reasons. You have a selection of items and you just want to quickly update them. Or you want to quickly add a few elements to them or remove a few elements. There's a variety of different reasons why you would want to, but having the ability to update those search set or selection sets may be a little bit easier than having to recreate them every single time. So we have these 4 panels. We want to add 4 more. So what we do is do Control and then the left mouse button again, and then come over here. So you can see now we have 8 panels selected. If we right-click this, we can come up here to update. I'll press Escape. Come back to this selection set 1. Click on it, and you can see it has those 8 elements. So now what I want to do is remove a couple of those panels. Say we want to only have 6 of those panels selected. So now what I'll do is just come in here, select those panels. Before I selected them, I click Control, and then I selected them with the left mouse button. So now if I come back over here, right-click, Update, I'm going to press Escape, and then you can see if I select on that selection set 1, it now only selects 6 panels. So really easy to do. There's not much more to it. So selection sets again are manually created selections of items. You can create those by having the set window open and then just clicking this button, Save Selection, and then updating it is simply Control, adding elements, or Control and removing those elements, and then updating the selection set by right-clicking the selection set, the specific one you want to update. So hopefully that kind of gives you an idea how to use it and how to update them, removing and deleting elements. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.